we're back with the modification. No, it's not those. No, nothing inside. But let me show you what we got in here. Oh yeah. The amp is back there. I mean, it's wickedly awesome. I mean, it goes halfway across the speaker. Listen to this. I'm going to close the trunk and show you what this stuff has. They're I think they're 10-inch or 12-inch. I'm not too sure. I'm not a stereo man. Give me the engine, I'll work on it all day. Watch this. Give me a rag on the top of the trunk quick. Red one, real quick. I'm going to turn it up on the phone. Throw that rag on here real quick. There you go. Wow. Damn. Alright. I know it's not a major thing, but I just spent a whole load of money for this thing. Alright. Thanks, YouTube. Don't forget, like, subscribe. I believe they're 210s or 212s. I'm not too sure. Bought a pretty powerful amp for it. Had it all professionally done. $16.50 out the door. Not too bad. And let me tell you what, we even got a device inside that you can turn the bass down or whatever. Everything else is stock. I can't replace the stereo. Obviously, you know why. Because it's part of the car. It has everything, you know, controlled through that. But anyway, I just think it's pretty wicked. It's a song I have on here.